All right, welcome to Cooking Thursday with Social Tony. So tonight I'm not cooking, but I'm going to make some chicken salad, barbecue flavor, which is one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and get this started. We're going to put a half a cup of cottage cheese in, and then we're going to put a half a cup. And then sour cream, not sour cream, cottage cheese. I said cottage cheese, not sour cream, cottage cheese. So, as low as fat as possible. I got plain yogurt, non-fat, a half a cup of that. Get that in there. Come on. Get it all. Okay. Let's go ahead and mix it up. I got 2 cans of chicken breast. You could have used rotisserie, but I'm cheating. I'm going with canned chicken. Go ahead and mix all that up real good. Cottage cheese. Mixed up good. So if you like what I'm doing, go ahead and let me know. I'll post more. It's been a while since I've posted anything, but okay, I got that. Let's what we're gonna put in now. Let's do some onion powder. And all this is to taste. I like onion. Again, where'd it go? Onion powder. It's hard to do with the camera up like that. And I'm gonna also put some, this is my favorite, Yellowstone Cowboy Barbecue. Sounds like I need to crunch it up. Some moisture I got to it. Okay. Let's go ahead and mix that up. So I don't have a measurement for that. That's just for flavor. And we're going to add some liquid smoke to it. I'm using mesquite this time. Just don't use too much. You'll overpower, but so there's enough of that. So of course, you can adjust everything to your taste. Maybe you need some more barbecue. I need to see. Oh, did I forget? Yep. I got some ranch seasoning. And I got some garlic powder. Again, to taste. Now you can add stuff to this. I'm not going to put it in here because I don't care for it, but which is celery. Okay, and now we're going to put some. I'm putting Mexican style street corn. More here in a minute. see. I'm adding some tomatoes. So we're going to put this on some sourdough bread tonight. I think I'm going to add some more corn. There we go. That looks better, don't it? And in a second, I'll get a spoon and taste it. I will let it set for a little while. And we're going to put some cabbage in it. And it calls for some pickle juice, but I'm not putting no pickle juice in it either. That's because I got a member of the household who will gag if he smells or tastes a pickle. This recipe will be no good on him. So let's grab a spoon. And taste. So let's get a, I don't care about the tomatoes, they'll be good. Let's get a tomato. Okay, come on, and corn. So I feel like it's missing something. I think it needs more of this. I need to bust this up. Because for some reason it has you can't go wrong with barbecue seasoning. So stir it up. Again, personal taste. So we're going to wash this off since I'm going to take another dip. And let's see. And the flavor is, much better. So there you have it. Barbecue chicken salad. Easy peasy. How long did that take? According to my little telltale here, 8 minutes and cut 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Of course, I did chop the little tomatoes up, but hey. So there you have it. Try it. Let me know. I'm putting mine on some sourdough bread tonight. So y'all take care.